Gerald Cash Advance is a short-term lending service offering quick funds for emergencies. In 2025, it remains popular for its streamlined application process and rapid approval times. This review covers its latest features, eligibility criteria, and how it compares to competitors. The platform targets borrowers with urgent financial needs, such as medical bills or car repairs. Unlike traditional banks, Gerald Cash Advance requires minimal documentation and promises same-day disbursement. However, high interest rates and fees demand careful consideration before applying. This video will guide you through the pros, cons, and step-by-step approval process. Whether you're new to Payday loans or seeking the best 2025 options, we'll help you decide if Gerald Cash Advance fits your needs. Gerald Cash Advance now offers loans up to $2,500 with repayment terms ranging from 14 to 30 days. Their 2025 update includes a mobile app for tracking payments and negotiating extensions. This digital overhaul aims to enhance user experience and transparency. The service boasts a 90% approval rate, even for borrowers with low credit scores. Automated income verification speeds up processing, and funds hit accounts within 2 hours post-approval. However, late fees can escalate quickly, making timely repayment critical. New safeguards, like a 24-hour cooling-off period, prevent impulsive borrowing. These features position Gerald as a competitive option, but alternatives with lower APR may better suit long-term financial planning. Pros include instant approvals, no collateral requirements, and accessibility for poor credit. Borrowers appreciate the straightforward interface and 24/7 customer support. For emergencies, it's a viable lifeline when banks decline applications. Cons involve steep APRs, up to 400%, and rigid repayment deadlines. Missed payments trigger penalties and credit score damage. Additionally, loan amounts are limited compared to installment lenders, restricting utility for larger expenses. Weighing these factors is essential. While Gerald provides quick cash, the debt cycle risk is high. Explore alternatives if you need flexibility or lower costs. Applicants must be 18+, with a steady income of at least $1,000 per month. Proof of employment, a valid ID, and an active bank account are mandatory. Gerald's 2025 algorithm prioritizes income stability over credit history. Part-time workers and gig economy earners qualify if they demonstrate consistent earnings. Unlike some lenders, Gerald doesn't require a minimum credit score, making it inclusive but risky for those prone to overborrowing. International borrowers are ineligible, and certain states restrict payday lending. Confirm your location complies with Gerald's service area before applying. Visit Gerald's website or app. Complete the online form with personal and financial details. The system auto-verifies income via bank statements or employer contacts, reducing manual uploads. Submit the application and await instant approval. If accepted, review the loan agreement, focusing on APR, fees, and due dates, then e-sign. Funds typically arrive within 2 hours, depending on your bank. Avoid errors by double-checking entered data. Denials often stem from mismatched information or insufficient income. Reapply after resolving issues or consider alternative lenders. Ensure your income exceeds $1,000 per month and is verifiable. Freelancers should provide tax returns or client payment records. Stable employment history strengthens your application. Maintain a bank account with minimal overdrafts. Gerald assesses banking behavior to gauge repayment reliability. Avoid multiple loan applications simultaneously as this flags desperation to lenders. If rejected, request feedback from customer support. Address issues like outdated IDs or unstable income before reapplying. Pre-qualification tools on Gerald's site offer insight without harming your credit. Gerald competes with brands like MoneyLion and Earn. While its APR is higher, it surpasses rivals in approval speed and maximum loan amounts. Earn's tip-based model costs less, but offers smaller advances. Credit unions and BNPL services, e.g., Affirm, provide lower rates but require stronger credit. Gerald's niche remains urgent, no credit check cash, ideal for emergencies but unsustainable for recurring use. Research state-specific lenders for better terms. Some regional services cap APRs or offer extended repayment plans absent in national platforms like Gerald. 2025 users praise Gerald's hassle-free process and responsive support. Many highlight the app's usability and transparency in fee breakdowns. Positive reviews often involve one-time borrowers repaying promptly. Complaints focus on aggressive debt collection and confusing rollover terms. Some users report unexpected fees after extending deadlines. The Better Business Bureau notes improved resolution rates this year, but skepticism persists. Always read recent reviews and confirm the lender's compliance with state regulations. Third-party forums like Reddit offer unfiltered borrower experiences. Gerald now reports repayment behavior to credit bureaus, helping borrowers build credit. A new financial literacy hub offers free budgeting tools, aligning with regulatory pressure to promote responsible lending. State partnerships in Texas and Illinois cap fees for low-income applicants. However, 12 states still ban payday loans, limiting Gerald's reach. The app's dark mode and biometric login reflect UX improvements. These updates aim to balance profitability and consumer protection. Stay informed via Gerald's newsletter or blog for real-time changes. Gerald Cash Advance suits emergencies but risks debt traps due to high costs. Use it sparingly and repay ASAP to avoid fees. Always compare offers using loan calculators or aggregator sites. For better terms, consider credit union payday alternatives, PALs, or peer-to-peer lending. If credit is decent, a personal loan from Upstart or SoFi offers lower APR and longer terms. Ultimately, Gerald is a last resort option. Prioritize savings or community assistance programs before resorting to payday loans. Drop questions below. We'll help you navigate your best choice.